Hi, Dr. Caps. So, for this experiment, it did not go as planned, and my results did not line up with the way they were supposed to be. But I will show you, anyways, what I did. So, here you can see my final solution was this color, and it never changed. And these were the materials that I used along with distilled water. So, solution A, I put vitamin C in distilled water and later added the iodine. Um, the vitamin C that I used, I think, was why my experiment went wrong. I used these little vitamin C packets, and I think they had like coloring or filler in them. And so that probably messed with the reaction. Um, but then in solution B, I had starch and distilled water, and then I added hydrogen peroxide. And then I added equal amounts into this cup and waited, just like it showed in the video. And in the video, the reaction occurred pretty quickly, and everything in the cup turned that like dark color. And basically, this happens when that reaction occurs. There's actually multiple reactions occurring. Um, the hydrogen peroxide that's in solution B is trying to oxidize the I minus ions and change them back to colored I2 ions, but the vitamin C is trying to reduce it from I2 back to I minus, and the reaction goes really quickly. All of those reactions go really quickly, and then eventually the vitamin C is actually consumed because the hydrogen peroxide and the I2 will accumulate and then complex with I minus with it, which then complexes with starch. So the like dark blue green ends up being triiodide with starch. And then also the reaction time would increase as temperature increases, and it would increase as concentration increases. So, yeah, I think that's everything. I enjoyed this experiment. I thought the video was really helpful, and the way he explained it really helped me to understand what I was doing and what I was learning. And I felt like this lined up well with what we were learning in class. And so I'm bummed that I probably didn't use the ingredients the right way, or I know I didn't use the ingredients the right way to get the reaction myself. But I actually might end up doing it over again because I would love to actually see that happen the right way. So, anyways, I think that's all. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.